Vanakkam to everyone. Today is going to be the best memorable day for this academic year because our Stanford Nanbargal, Kate Mary Kamara, Samantha Naomi Kargilis, and Adele Bree Larison are here with us. On behalf of our Aegean family, I extend a warm welcome to our friends from the highly reputed Stanford University, and I wish them all the best. As you know, these friends are going to stay on our campus for about 1.5 months. They will make these days very useful, enjoyable, and memorable for all of us. We are also going to learn new things from them. Today, we dedicate our MSc campus program to our Stanford Nanbargal. Once again, I welcome our Stanford Nanbargal and our Aegean and Appu family. For the first program, I welcome our MSc students to perform a skit.
Hey, come da, our favorite period starts now.
Yes, da, it is favorite to me also. Today, I will do the task cleverly. I hope I will get appreciation from our teacher.
Okay, da, come. Come here.
Vanakkam students, I am very happy to see you all in this creativity skill development class. Okay, sit down. Today I am going to give a simple task. Think well and complete it. Are you ready now?
What is the task, sir?
Students, have you seen this?
Sir, I know. It is you.
Yes, very good. Now your task is you have to fill it with water.
With water? How is it possible?
Hey, wait, ra, I do it. Definitely, I will get appreciation from you, sir. Oh, I can't do it, sir. It is an impossible task.
Wait, Ra. I will complete this task. I can't do this, sir. How is it possible? Wait, Ra. I will do it. Oh, I can't do it, sir. Sir, you give an impossible task.
Are you sure? Is it impossible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, students. I will complete this task. Now I throw the sieve into the water. So students, tell, is it really impossible task?
Sir, you completed the task.
You solve all our problems easily. But we have no talent. I feel shame.
No students, you all have good talent. But when you have problem, you think it in different way. It helps you to enrich your creative skill. If you develop your creative skill, it will give good opportunity to you. Be a successful person in your life. Thank you.
Thank you, friends. Our campus student is going to entertain us by singing a song.
Hey everyone, I am Stina Duresami from HC. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. You got every right to a beautiful life. Come on, who says you're not perfect? Who says you're not worth it? Who says you're the only one that hurting? Trust me, that's the price of beauty. Who says you're not pretty? Who says you're not beautiful? Who says na 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 na. You got every right to a beautiful life. Come on, who says you're not perfect? Who says you're not worth it? Who says you're the only one that hurting? Trust me, that's the price of beauty. Who says you're not pretty? Who says you're not beautiful? Who says Who says you're not star potential? Who says you're not presidential? Who says you can be in movie? Listen to me, listen to me. Who says you can be the best? Who says you can pass the test? Who said? Who said? Won't you tell me who said that? Who says you're not perfect? Who says you're not worth it? Who says you're the only one that hurting? Trust me, that's the price of beauty. Who says you're not pretty? Who says you're not beautiful? Who says? Trust me, believe one thing, trust me, believe one thing. You can be a full moon, you can be a shining star, you can be a fresh flower, you can be a little star, you can be a full moon, you can be a shining star, you can be a fresh flower, you can be a little star. Na 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 na. You got every right to a beautiful life. Come on, who says you're not perfect? Who says you're not worth it? Who says you're the only one hurting? Trust me, that's the price of beauty. Who says you're not pretty? Who says you're not beautiful? Who says?
Acting is a kind of art. Art is a way to express one's talent. Here is our student going to exhibit his talent through Mono Act.
Mom, I returned home, Mom. Please give me something to eat, Mom. Where's the remote? I've done. I lungi dance, lungi dance, lungi dance, lungi dance. I don't like this channel. I don't like Jurassic Park. Humongous, sir! Wow, super, super, super. Yes, I like this channel. Mom, please give me. Mom, please give me pizza, Mom. Pizza? Take it. Thank you, Mom. It's super. Ben, you want this? Mom, please give me some chocolates, Mom. Chocolates? Take it. Thank you, Mom. Ooh, chocolates. Yum. It was very tasty. Ben, you want this? It is very creamy. I love this. Mom, please give me biscuits, Mom. First you do your homework and then eat biscuits. Okay, Mom. What is today's homework? Social. Who was the founder of Mughal Empire? Mughal Empire means Mughal. Yes, it was Ben Tennyson. I'm correct. Next. Science. Who invented pasteurization method? The pasteurization means yes, Chota Beam. I am great genius. Mom, I finished my homework. Mom, give biscuits. Take it. Thank you, Mom. Biscuits. Ben, you want this? It's very tasty. Mom, please give me kurkure, Mom. Take it, kurkure. Thank you, mom. Mm. Ben Tennyson, please save Grandpa. Please save Grandpa. Ben, please save. Oh, yes, Ben Tennyson. Mom, please give me Mom, please give me noodles, Mom. Wait, I'm cooking. Okay, Mom, please give me some water, Mom. Take it, the water. Thank you, Mom. Mom, give the noodles fastly, Mom. Take it, the noodles. Thank you, Mom. Ooh, they're long, tasty, yummy, yippee. It's better, no? Okay, bye, Ben. Good night. Friends, do you like me? If you begin like me, you will be lazy, worst in your life. Don't spoil your health by eating junk foods and watching TV like me. Save your precious time but in a productive way. Thank you.
Friends, I hope you enjoy our programs. We will meet you again with another wonderful time. Thank you. Now I request our English teacher Thiru Subramani Mailsami Ayya to introduce about our Stanford Nanbargal.
Pleasant vanakkam to one and all present here. First I request our Stanford Nanbargal please come to the stage. A special vanakkam and a special good morning to you. I request all the members of AGN and Apu Arivalayam to join me for giving a wonderful welcome to our Stanford Nanbargal. Every year they come to our home to exchange a lot of good things, like to teach good pronunciation, to teach good vocabulary, and learn our culture and hospitality. This program, especially this program, is designed to enhance the development of friendship between Stanford University and the Agent family. Dear Stanford friends, see the smiles of everyone's face present here. We are truly delighted to welcome you with loving hearts. I hope you will be having a great time and wonderful experience while staying here with us. So once again I welcome you all with big claps. Thank you.
Now I invite our students to honor our Stanford students by garlanding. Harita Manikam, she is going to garland to Kate. She is offering her handmade bouquet to Kate. Next, Tharani Sengotuvel, she is going to garland to Adil. Aruna, she is going to offer her handmade bouquet to Adil. Vidya Bharati Govindasamy, she is going to garland to Samantha. Saran Palanisamy is going to offer his handmade bouquet to Samantha. Now I request our Chairman Ayya to come out to the stage. And also I request our Academic Director Ayya to come onto the stage. First of all, I would like to request our Stanford students to give their self-intro.
My name is Kate. I go to Stanford University, and I am in my second year of college. I am studying medicine, and I love to play volleyball, and I can't wait to meet you all. Thank you very much.
Hello, my name is Adele Larison. I'm in my third year at Stanford University with Kate and Sam. I'm studying English and psychology. I am so excited to meet all of you. Thank you for making us feel so welcome and part of your family already.
Hi, I'm Sam or Samantha Cargillis. I am going into my second year at Stanford. I'm studying biology and English, and I love to sing, and I can't wait to meet all of you guys.
Now I request our Chairman Ayya to talk something about them.
Vanakkam. Actually, I have communicated with our friends, but I don't know much about them yet. I hope to know more about them over the next 8 weeks that they are going to be here in our campus. So there is a big change in the Stanford program starting this year. Instead of 6 weeks, it'll be an 8-week program. So we'll have a longer time for developing friendship, exchanging our culture, and giving them an awareness about our area and our lifestyle to them. Hopefully the same thing will happen about them for us as well. The Stanford program has been going on for about 10 years now. After only this morning I was thinking maybe we should look back with your help, how long this program has been going on, who are some of the people who have come here, what are they doing today, and all of that. I'll talk to you more about that. But at the same time, it's important to remember Mason and his wife at this time. Mason is a Stanford alumnus, and he is the one who helped us initiate this program. And he is watching everything from the US and reading all the emails and listening to everything that's going on. Hopefully at the end of the day we'll be able to send some pictures to him as well. And for the past years it has been a wonderful program for us, and we hope this program will continue for a long time. And we again, on the behalf of everyone, I welcome you again to the school, and I hope this will be a very enriching experience for you as well as for us over the next weeks. Thank you.
Vanakkam, dear children. So I hope this is the 10th year of the Stanford students, 10th year. Really, on this occasion, we have to thank our Mason Bales for having made this program possible. And I was able to see a change this year, Stanford students visit. The change is normally few boys and few girls will used to visit every year, but this year only girls from Stanford University. So that is the first change I was able to see. And the other one what I made them to see here is almost all of them are doing English there. That's another very important thing. And of course, one more is normally they used to visit at the beginning of July, and they used to celebrate the Independence Day of USA here. But this year little late you visited. And as I was telling about the stay, about 8 weeks, that's nice to have a exchange program between we and the Stanford University. Normally, we used to call this one as Stanford Nanbargal. Nanbargal means friends, friends from Stanford. Okay. And we are able to see a mark by Stanford students every year. Yeah, mark. If you look at the back, you can see Stanford Nanbargal 2011. They made this screen with all the hand print on this. Similarly, if you walk around the campus, you can see their drawing or something like that. It will be there. So ever we remember those Stanford students visit, and probably as I was telling that we would like to know the first, second, third, and fourth sets of Stanford students, what they are, where they are, what they are doing, and all these things. Probably we will take those things so that we can call them back. Normally, I think one set of students, they came back second time. So we like you to come again and again to the AGN and Apu, and you can enjoy this climate. Of course, you will find it little difficult as far as your food is concerned. Pure vegetarian food will be available here, but still you can enjoy it there. And I don't know whether you have seen the large number of students in your school days in USA. I used to heard that only few hundred students in a school, but here the school, both the school, about around 2,300 to 400 students are there with the two stream of education. One is the metric state board, the other one is central board education, CBSE. And you can visit, and we have campus like this. 1 to 5 we call it as a primary section, and 6, 7, 8 middle school, and the 9 and above higher and higher secondary school. So similarly the CBSE separately, and every Saturday we used to meet here with one program of one section. This Saturday it happens to be the middle school 6, 7, 8. They have presented something. So every Saturday we used to meet together, and we call it as a common assembly, and we will be giving some program like that. You can enjoy in another 7 to 8 weeks. And similarly, morning 9 o'clock we start our school, and 4:10 it will be over. After 4:10 some children will be playing. You can also play with them. And during school hours, and we will be planning with other in charges that at least once you visit at least once every class, and we have a lot of classes, around about 80 classes are there, and so even if you visit one class per day, I think it will be good. And we will be planning, and dear children, they will be coming to your class, all the classes, and they will be spending some time with you. You can ask whatever the questions you want. Similarly, the morning assembly also, you can prepare some questions about anything that you wanted to ask them. And on behalf of all of you, I extend a warm welcome. Probably warm here, we don't, you use it in USA, and we are a great welcome to our AGN Apu campus. And we pray that you will have a good day here. Thank you.
Sorry, one thing I had forgotten to mention. So I want to appreciate the wonderful program that was put together by the MSc campus. I believe this is one of the best, and you all had shown your appreciation with your strong applause, and I want to convey that mine as well. Thank you.
Our student Nivedita Venkateshan, she wishes to give a short welcome speech for Stanford Nanbargal.
My delightful Vanakkam to one and all present here. First of all, I would like to thank respected Chairman Ayya and Honorable Meshan Bail Sir for arranging the arrival of Stanford Nanbargal, and I am welcoming you all for coming to our school. Our school is a garden, and we are all flowers here, so you can be butterflies. Thank you.